Hi guys! So something has been requested for me to rant about. So let's talk about the DDLC fandom and game. I really hate how the whole plot of DDLC was just not taken seriously by the fandom. The game is a psychological horror with good messages, but the fandom just jokes around about it. Now don't get me wrong, I don't mind most of the jokes, it's a dark game so I expect dark jokes. I just hate that the plot was lost to these jokes. And I hate the sexualization of the girls. But I won't go too deep into all that Here is the comment asking me to rant at this. I got a lot of the points from them, so credit to them. Leah out.